Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Good sleep mode on Daikin optimizes comfort and energy while you sleep. The feature gradually raises temperature by 1 degree C every hour for 3 hours. This change reduces overcooling during deep sleep and keeps you comfortable. After the gradual change, the unit maintains the new temperature for 5 hours to complete an 8-hour cycle. This approach limits compressor cycles and reduces energy draw. Expect roughly 20% lower overnight energy use compared to continuous low set points in many rooms. To enable good sleep mode, press the sleep button on your Daikin remote control. Confirm the remote displays sleep and a timer for an 8-hour cycle. Set an initial target temperature of 24 degrees C, 75 degrees F, before enabling sleep mode for reliable comfort. If you prefer a delayed, use the timer to schedule sleep mode within a 1 to 8 hour window. Use auto fan and vertical swing auto for even distribution. Manual fan or fixed louvers can reduce effectiveness and create hot or cold zones. Place your indoor unit with at least 3.5 inches clearance around intake vents for proper airflow. Clean or replace filters every 3 months to preserve efficiency and airflow and to avoid odor. Use auto fan speed and vertical swing auto to spread the gradual temperature change evenly through the room. If sleep mode does not activate, restart the indoor unit and check remote batteries and the timer setting. Using good sleep mode nightly can save roughly $5 per month on energy with moderate usage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.